This is a weekly check of the African Nightcrawler bin in the VermiBag Max. I have some visitors here this week, so you'll probably hear some cartoons playing in the background. I thought I would have some helpers, but the cartoons prevail. Pokemon prevails. Anyway, there's some gnats on the inside, and there's some African night crawlers on the plastic, but that's okay. They will be returned shortly. Same with this piece. There's some on the inside. See if I can shake any off. A couple came off. See how well I can do this. I don't have my tripod set up. I just have a little selfie stick. Anyway, let's check here. I guess you could see. Let me see if I could, I don't know if it'll zoom in or not, if it'll work. Silly camera. Anyway, there's the overview. And let's see on the outside. It's really well worked. Oh my. Okay, let's see. It's dry on the outside. Moisten towards the center. I think I need to put more moisture on the outside. I think they have plenty of food. I have a light right above me, so probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. That's the way it goes sometimes. It's well worked in the center. See, check the center here. Super moist, super well worked over. I'm still not sure about the foodstuffs though, if I should put some more. I think I will, because I am going to add another tray of just a little container of African night crawlers. And I don't see hardly any, just whatever was on the top, but of course I mixed them in right now. The newspaper that was dry here is still here, I think. Not as many, so I guess they're working them over. Let's see. I think I'll go ahead and just do another fading. And check up on them next week. Let's see what we have here. I don't think I'm going to have to put any dry bedding here. Some moisture, I'll just put it on the edges. And the rest of the food, you'll see what we have here. It's about, I think this is about a gallon container. Gallon of, this is aloe vera from my garden. I harvested some leaves and cut them up. We have some cut apple. Of course, like usual, I freeze everything and then defrost it. These are potatoes, potato slices. This is the top of a potato that was starting to grow. So that's it as far as foodstuffs for these guys. Let me put in some warm chow. I think they probably, hopefully they'll like this better. It's not all carbon like it has been the last couple weeks. So they'll be able to work through this more quickly. And let's see. This is the bin. It's a 12-quart container. See, this is the container. It's the size of a dishpan. I started it with 5 mature African night crawlers, and they have produced. There's no doubt about it, but they didn't like the size of the container. They wanted something larger, so I gave it to them. But they have reproduced. But like I said, they weren't very happy in it. Okay. And it pretty worked over. So they really did need to exit that bin. And I believe that's it. Okay, before I close it up, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to add some neem seed meal up at the top that I normally do. And I may add some more bedding. I think I'll do that bedding right now. And then add the neem seed, then water them up and close them up, and they'll be good for the week. And I'll do that off camera. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.